We start with 1 hour chart. All right, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. This is what we get, but we didn't have the proper trade setup unless we trade based on the small flags. All right, no, anyone get the trade, they have to start to manage because the way it's moving is really corrective. We were looking for the reversal. Okay, then mostly for even we have experience for the other charts, when we see this kind of the move, then we can expect this correction to be more complex. This is one of the things we can expect. But if you want to look for trade, we're not looking for the corrective move, we are looking for the sharp. Anyway, we start with daily chart. As we can see, after this sharp move, it turned to a corrective. Now the question is correction, how complex can be this correction for before we get the next move? And even if we move to forward chart, we want to see whether we can get the correction here for continuation or not. All right, because if this one continues similar to what we have here, any sharp move with the flag, we can look for sell. The only times we can look for buy, we get a correction here, but right now we don't have it. That means we don't have any confirmation whether this is the start of the up move or the price can drop. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, this is what we can see. Still we can expect, even if we get a correction here, we can expect for the continuation. But any trade setup will be a short-term trade setup based on what we have right now. And this is what we can see based on 15 minutes. Every small correction, we can look for buy with the breakout of the previous stop is turned to a more complex. And this is what we're looking for. All right. But we are looking for the long term. I mean, if you want to trade, based on 15 minutes will be short term. It depends on the traders whether they want to trade based on 15 minutes or not. But for me, if I want to trade, I will trade based on a 1 hour chart. But right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. Okay, in this case we want to see what we get here. If we get a correction, bigger correction, we can look for buy. But any sharp move with a flag, this is what we can look for sell. This is what we have right now. Rather than that, we don't have any, I mean, we don't have any confirmation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.